Hey, this is Arianne, and today we're going to talk about the best way to save money so that you can have financial freedom. This video is inspired by an article from becomingminimalist.com. The best way to save money is by learning this about money. We don't buy things with money. We buy things with hours of our life. We'll say that again. We don't buy things with money. We actually buy them with hours of our life. Here's another way to say it. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. This is a life-changing principle. The more we see that the things we buy is actually bought by minutes, hours, weeks, or months of our life, then the more we can pay attention to what things truly cost. It's not just $1. It's not just $10. It's a fraction of our life. And the more we think like that, the more we can better appreciate what things actually cost and see what impact that's making overall. So as an example, we're going to use the US median personal annual income. So in the US, the typical American makes about $33,000 a year, and that comes to about $16 an hour. Then we're going to use this number, this $16 an hour, to see how much life we are actually exchanging for stuff. So a $5 Frappuccino, we're actually exchanging 19 minutes of our life. A $20 lunch takeout or delivery with tip, that's 1.25 hours of our life we're exchanging. How about a new phone? That's $1,000. Well, for that, we exchange 62 hours of our life, or 1.5 weeks, 1.5 weeks of our life. A new furniture set for $2,000, that's 3.5 weeks of our life. And how about a brand new car for $30,000? Well, we're exchanging 11 months of our life for that car. Now, the money we earn is ours to keep. It's your money after all. But it's useful to go through this exercise so we can see things from a different perspective. And maybe it's a perspective you haven't considered before. Seeing things like this and realizing how much life you're trading for the stuff you buy might make you consider a few different options. And it's always useful to remember that just like we can trade our hours for stuff, we can also use our hours and our time in our life for things that are worth far more than material possessions like cars and furniture sets and phones. We can spend that time connecting with our loved one, connecting with our husband or wife. We can use that time connecting with our child or doing things for other people's sake, right? Life isn't about just material possessions. Now, the good news is there is a way to stop exchanging your life for stuff. And that way is called financial freedom. With financial freedom, you don't simply just work for money and then stop there and spend it. Instead, what you do is you work for money, and once you have money, you make your money work for you through investments, and then the money that your money makes is called passive income because you didn't have to exchange your time for that money. Instead, it was money that your money made on its own without your time. And so that way, you don't have to trade your time for money anymore. You don't have to exchange your life for stuff. When you spend passive income that's not tied to you exchanging your life. And once you have enough passive income that pays for all of your needs and then pays for all of your wants, then you're truly free. You never have to exchange your life for stuff ever again. That is financial freedom. So there it is. The best way to save money is actually realizing that spending money to buy stuff is you spending your life. And now you realize that there is a better way. Work towards financial freedom so you never have to exchange your life for money or stuff ever again. I would love if you comment below and tell me what you think about this. Is this how you spend your money? Is this how you think about spending your money? And please let me know what other things you want me to talk about. And please click like or dislike and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see my upcoming videos about financial freedom. Till next time!